Hey guys, this is Charm and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, naisip ko na i-vlog yung paglilinis ng room ko para mas ma-motivate ako and matapos ko lahat ng mga kailangan tapusin. So, sobrang kalat na talaga ng room ko and matagal ko nang balak na linisin to, but lagi kasi ako nasa labas ng bahay, so I have no time for this. But today, nagkaroon ako ng time. So basically, ang makikita nyo lang dito sa content na to is yung mga kalat ng room ko, but at least at the end of the day, matatapos ko siya and later, mas magiging comfortable yung feeling ko dito sa room ko. So kung gusto niyo din maglinis ng room nyo, samahan niyo na ako. And without further ado, let's get started! So guys, ito yung current situation ng room ko. This is my vanity and ayan, marami akong mga bags dyan na hindi ko na masyadong ginagamit. And another kalat. Ayan. So ditong side naman is yung closet ko and of course, may sobrang gulong bed. So guys, as you can see, meron akong 2 boxes dito na sobrang daming stuffs. This is actually from Japan Home Center. So they send me this PR packages and balak ko kasing gumawa ng haul video. So abangan nyo na lang yun guys kasi meron pa ako inaantay na isang box na galing din sa kanila. So dahil sobrang excited ko, share ko na din yung iba nilang pinadala. Okay, so this is acrylic organizer for jewelry. So pwede nyo lagay dito yung mga bracelet, earrings, and necklaces nyo. And this one naman, pwede dito yung mga spoon and fork. I think pwede siya dito. Or yung mga makeup ninyo, lipstick, brushes, mga face powder, ganon. So pwede dito. Sobrang affordable guys. This is for only 138 pesos. Ayan, diba sobrang mura and yung quality niya is sobrang ganda. So to Japan Home Center, thank you for sending me this package. Sobrang saya ko and sobrang kinikilig ako. Thank you so much! So ang gagawin ko is ilalabas ko muna lahat ng boxes, mga stuffs dito sa room ko para ma-vacuum ko to and ma-mop ko yung floor.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy? Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Maybe 1, loving 2, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me at the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
So yun guys, naalis ko na yung mga gamit dito sa side na to and dun naman tayo sa kabilang side. After that, i-vacuum ko na yung floor and i-mop ko na. So, ito yung kama ko guys. Aalisin ko lang yung mga gamit and then mag-vacuum na tayo.
Home in the morning, I know that you're coming back home.
So guys, this is my vanity area, as you can see. And dito ko nilalagay yung mga makeups, skincare products, and even yung mga notebooks, ball pens, and laptop. Dito ko din nilalagay kasi wala pa akong office table as of the moment. So sa ngayon, dito muna. And this is the challenging part kung paano ko i-organize yung mga gamit ko dito. Though, hindi naman madami yung gamit ko, pero I'm planning to buy an office table para separate yung sa makeups, skincare, and yung mga office supplies ko. So, this is the current situation of my vanity area. Sobrang kalat, guys. Ayan. And ito naman yung drawer. So, aayusin ko lang to guys and I'll be back.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? Heart is starting to liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Maybe one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me at the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that.
So guys, naalis ko na lahat ng mga gamit dito sa loob and ready for vacuum and mop na tong buong flooring. And share ko lang guys, kaya naglinis ako today kasi yung weather is gloomy and kanina lang sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, parang sabi ko, hindi ako masyadong pagpapawisan kasi nga malamig yung panahon. Kahit na malamig yung panahon guys, pagpapawisan at pagpapawisan ka pa din. So, wear your most comfortable clothes when you are cleaning the house or your bedroom para hindi masyadong pagpawisan. Pinapatuyo ko lang yung flooring guys and later babalik ko na din yung mga gamit na nilabas natin kanina.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and say soft
Hey guys, finally we are done cleaning my room and super refreshing and comfortable yung feeling ko dito. And finally, nalinisan ko na din ng maayos yung aking bedroom. So I'm excited to share with you the new look of my bedroom. So, this is my bed, guys. Napaka-cozy and parang ang sarap matulog. Ayan. So, simple lang yung design ko, guys, because I'm planning to do a room makeover soon. This is my closet. So, hindi ko pa siya masyadong naayos, pero papakita ko din sa inyo kung paano ko i-organize yung closet ko. And this is my vanity area. So, naging maayos naman siya, guys, pero hindi pa kompleto yung mga products na nilagay ko dyan. And gagawa na lang din ako ng video about vanity tour and organizing my vanity area. And share ko din sa inyo kung anong mga laman ng mga nasa drawers dyan. And on this side, so as you can see, wala na yung mga nakasabit. Clear na lahat. And on this part naman, may space dyan because I'm planning to put my office table there. And yung nakikita nyong chair dito, ayan yung gagamitin ko for my office table. So, yung black na bag naman na nandito, yun yung ginagamit ko for my makeup gig. And, of course, this is my whole body mirror. So, there you have it, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And this design is just temporary because I am planning a room makeover very soon. And sana samahan niyo pa din ako sa journey ko na yon. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you on the next one. Bye!